More than 5 persons have been killed as a result of motor vehicle crashes since the start of the Easter holiday. In the latest incident, speeding is suspected to be the cause of a deadly crash along the north-south leg of Highway 2000. The victims, a police constable and his female passenger, both persons died on the spot. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
The police constable who was killed in the car crash along the north-south leg of Highway 2000 has been identified as Ramon Stevens of the Motorized Patrol Division, but the female is still unidentified. The Honda motor car that was being driven by the policeman skidded off the roadway.
It is a bit bizarre how this situation occurred.
Director of the Road Safety Unit in the Transport Ministry, Canute Here, says their deaths have brought road fatalities to 96 since the start of the year.
This holiday season is not looking very nice for us at all. We have lost over 5 persons so far as a result of road deaths since the advent of the holiday season.
Mr. Here says still people aren't using the established safety gear to protect themselves while commuting. He says often he's ridiculed when he tries to encourage people to use seat belts.
I saw some backseat passenger this morning and I advised them to put on the seat belt and them laugh at me, right? And I was extremely shocked that they could even laugh, because this thing is not a joke thing. When we say people in the back seat must wear a seat belt, it's not a joke thing, you know.
Again, Mr. Here is stressing the need for persons to be cautious on the roads.
We have a few more days left to go for this season. My appeal to motorists out there, my appeal to passengers out there and drivers: drive according to the road condition. Take your time. Ensure that whatever you are doing, you are able to manage the vehicle and control the vehicle. Remember also that the environment must be respected at all times.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.